Washington was issued a civil danger warning for Clayton, Georgia, Cobb, Georgia, DeKalb, Georgia, Douglas, Georgia, Fayette, Georgia, Fulton, Georgia, Gwinnett, Georgia, Henry, Georgia, beginning up to 17 p.m. and ending at 5:17 p.m. This is an update to the alert that was issued 5 minutes ago. There have been reports of civilians turning into stone with the shape of the number 2. It is speculated that once the person walks outside, they will turn into stone as they are considered to be deceased. It is unknown that it also affects people indoors. At this time, residents are advised to shelter in places it is your best chance for safety. Gather essential supplies with you such as food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a hand crank or a battery-powered radio with you. 911 services are experiencing an outage within the Atlanta metropolitan area. If you're in the affected area and have an emergency, please dial 404-635-7200. Continue to monitor media outlets for further updates on this developing situation.
The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest, like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex.
This is the activation of the emergency alert system for the New York City area. This is not a test.
An unusual event is taking place within the downtown Atlanta area. Civilians were reported to have their skins turning into stones. The cause of the phenomenon is unknown at the moment. However, it is speculated that once they have turned into stone, they may be considered to be not as human anymore. This is yet to be confirmed or debunked. Residents are advised to be on the lookout if their skin starts to turn into stones. More information will be provided as it becomes available.